guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Josephine. I'm a Nigerian living in Cabo Verde. I live in Sa Island, Santa Maria precisely. Are you just coming across my channel? If you love my videos as you are watching along, kindly subscribe, comment, like and share, and tell a friend to tell a friend about this channel because you are gonna love it. Do you know where Cape Verde Island is located? No, you don't know it. Sometimes I tell people I live in Cape Verde. They could say, where is that? Is that the name of a city in South Africa called Cape Town? My videos are all major talking about Cabo Verde, so you know where this beautiful country is located. If you really want to know more about Cabo Verde, check my video on facts about Cabo Verde, facts about their women and their men. Today's video is a very beautiful update you need to watch to the end. I'm going to be quick about it. You think of coming to Cabo Verde, you want to really earn millions from this business. Watch this video in full so you don't miss any parts. If you are someone who is good in cooking, you have a gift in cooking, you are a chef, this business is going to pay you millions. When I say millions, whenever I say millions, when you calculate the currency from escudos, from euros, because here in Cabo Verde, we use euros and escudos, you calculate it in your currency. I'm a Nigerian, it's a big money. You will want to ask me, why is it cooking? Why not another business? Let me tell you. Relax, sip your wine, sip your juice. I will explain every of the details. The first 2 months I came to Cabo Verde, I noticed the people that sells food here, the way they act is kind of funny. Sometimes they act like they don't need your money. Sometimes they act like you are being forced to come and buy the food from them, or they are being forced to open the restaurant. The 3 Nigerians that sells food here, one of them is known as Omo, the other one is known as Mama Africa, and the other one, who is a man operating the restaurant with his wife, is known as Ajala. Ajala is married to a Cape Verdean. When you live here in Cabo Verde, as you are watching this video, especially here on Sa, you are going to know that it's a very stressful thing to go to the shop before they sell this food for you. It's as if you get frustrated before they will sell this food for you, because there are not many people that cooks food that is more of, let me just cook food for people to eat. There are just only 3 here in Cabo Verde living here in Sa. There was another Nigerian who tries to cook. I don't really know what happens. Before she did it in a period of 2 weeks to 3 weeks, she stopped cooking. This is how you make millions from this. When you come as a chef, you are a caterer, you are a good cook, you cook all kind of food. You are this person that is very good in food and soup. This is what you will do. You walk around, you meet the Nigerians, Sierra Leoneans, Liberians. They are everywhere. You can just tell them, I want to start cooking. Sometimes you can go to the cyber cafe. There's a guy known as Itu here. Itu will print a kind of poster card you share to people, and you arrange your menu in it. That will make your business to be more outstanding, and people will see it like, yes, this is kind of more excellency. It shows kind of maturity, and it adds a kind of coziness to your business. You reach out to them. This menu, you tell them, this is what I'll be cooking on Monday, this is what I'll be cooking on Tuesday. Like if it's a kind of routine, you have the Monday routine, the Tuesday routine, you tell them. Anyone they want to eat, they will tell you. You take their contact, or you give them your contact with that poster card. When they need food, they write to you that this is what they are going to eat, and you make the delivery to them. It could be from their house or at their place of work. Wherever they are, you deliver the food to them. Living here in Cabo Verde, there is a Sierra Leonean who does that before she stops. And as I'm talking to you, a Nigerian who just came in, that is what she's doing. I bought a moi moi from her. That was last 2 weeks before I met this Sierra Leonean guy. As you are watching this video, I think I am going to take a break and show you the day he brought this food to my workplace. I always tell you guys, I'm a masseur. That is what I do here in Cabo Verde. This guy, his name is Mohammed. He cooks so beautifully. He cooks any kind of soup. Like you want soup, you want food, you want fried rice, you want jollof rice. But I love more of his jollof rice. It's kind of Sierra Leone with jollof rice. There's a way he sauces the chicken and salad with very, very creamy kind of. That is how he does it. Like, he's a very good cook. We are so close. This guy also does makeup, but I'm here to talk more about the food. If you have this talent of cooking, if you can cook so well, like when I say you can cook so well and people lick their finger, the first day this guy brought this food to me, I told him, first impression matters a lot. As you are bringing this food, I want to make sure that this food is so delicious. And he said, don't worry, when you try it, you are going to confirm it. When he brings this food to my place of work, my Cape Verde boss tested it. This woman is somebody that loves Nigerian food. Whenever we go to buy Nigerian food, if any Nigerian cooks food and bring to us, she always loves to buy Nigerian food, and her favorite Nigerian food is a goosey and jollof rice. Guys, I don't know why I'm smiling. This period I'm just happy. I have a good news to share with you guys. If you know you have a talent, you can cook so well, and you have this strategy of talking to people, you can do it so beautifully. You don't need to be ashamed, because if you are this person who is ashamed, you try to show off, oh, I cannot do this. This is a way they make millions here. As I'm talking to you, that plate of rice I bought, that jollof rice, I bought it for 500 escudos. He first of all said 600 escudos, and I told him no, I'm going to buy it for 500 escudos. The other Nigerian who also sells that, her plate of rice is 400 escudos. The other Nigerian lady, her plate of fried rice is 400 escudos. This Sierra Leone guy says his for 500 escudos. Just imagine if I buy that every day, calculate it for 1 week, then do all the total calculation for 1 month. If 20 people patronize him in a period of 1 week and calculate it for 1 month, you will see that this guy is silently making good money. And I'm talking more on the food parts. I'm not even going to the other stuff he does, that is the cooking of other things. It's just only on this aspect of food. If you have good sisters, like when I say good sister, these are people that can travel and they can use their skill to earn money. They can make use of their skill. Do not waste it in that your country you are. You are going to make money with it here in Cabo Verde if you use this strategy. Wherever they are, if they are in their workplace, write to them. If they ask you to bring the food, if you see that this place is far, you tell them to pay for your transportation. As I'm talking to you, some of these Nigerians, the few ones that don't eat here, if they are bringing this food, we pay for the transportation. This Sierra Leone guy, he doesn't take transportation from us, but I could see that the distance he walks up to give us this food is kind of a distance. So he deserves to take 500. Even if I give him 600, that doesn't matter. I just want to tell you people that people are making silent money here, that you think these people are suffering when you see them. And if you see this guy, I just want you guys to watch this video in full and see how clean he is. Like, he's so determined, so smart, so creative. He got different skills, and that makes me to like him. We are very good friends. Hello guys, what's up? When I see my life here for Cabo Verde, this cute Sierra Leone guy, now Sierra Leone, yes, oh my gosh, he's a good cook. I told you guys that when you got a skill, you are a good cook, you are going to make money here in Cabo Verde. This is how I spent my money, and this jollof rice he cooked, guys, it's so palatable and so sumptuous. Just say something to them.
My name is Mohammed, and if you try my food, you will love it. Just come and you'll see.
Okay, so when you get to Santa Maria, sir, if you want his contact, I will give you his contact. By the way, this food is so yummy. This is how I spend my money. Guys, see, I dey tell una say this island, una go make money, una fit say I dey play. Ciao, bye bye. We love you guys.
Ciao.
I am here to tell you guys that if you have the skill in cooking, you are a caterer, you are a chef, all these are cooking, all the old continental dish that you can cook. come and use your skill to make millions here. And something beautiful about this cooking of a thing, like as I've said before, you don't even need to have a shop. You can cook from your house. You buy takeaway plates, you buy spoons. The spoons could be more of plastic, because if you buy iron spoon, those are very expensive. You put the spoon, you arrange it so beautiful. You buy plastic like nylon, that is how they call it here. We call nylon plastic here. You arrange it. If it's 20 people in a day, 10 people a day, you are going to make money. Do not ignore this video. Do not say I did not say. When you come to Cape Verde, you will see that eating food during lunchtime, when people want to eat, it's stress. When you go to this restaurant, you go to this Nigerian restaurant that cooks all kind of varieties, you will be so tired to wait. So if you have somebody who is bringing this food down to where you are, why not take their contact? If you want the contact of this Mohammed I'm talking about, I am going to put his contact on the course of making this video at the end. Only for those that watch to the end we get his contact. If you have any question as you are watching this video, you can let me know, and I'm going to come up with a video on 6 lucrative business that will fetch you millions monthly living here in Cape Verde, especially here on Sa Island. This place is a place of opportunity. You must not come to do something illegal. You must not come to do something irritating with that your skill. Now, sip your wine, sip your juice. I'm going to come up with that video of that your skill that you need to make millions with. Bye-bye. Cha-cha. Obrigado.